Hello guys, welcome to a new video from me. Today we are going to drive out to a place that we were already drive a few times with my cousin and last year with the Supra. And I hope you're going to enjoy it, guys. I'm gonna show you the car really quick and have fun.
It's our sadness.
We are currently on our way to the mountain. I was there already, I think, twice, but I really like this place, so we are just going to drive it again, and it's probably not gonna be the last time. So yeah, it's just one of my favorite places to go, so I still really hope that you're going to enjoy it, guys. I'm sorry if you hear some stuff inside the car or anything, because I have a lot of things laying around and things that I take with me. So yeah, there could be some noise inside of the interior here, but yeah, I think it should not bother too much, so it should be okay. Guys, we are starting to drive up the mountain, or the first part of it. I hope there's not much traffic, so we can enjoy the road with the speed limit. Thing, guys, is right now there's not much light, so I really hope that the camera captures the view and everything this time. I really hope, because it is beautiful here. I don't have words for things like that. Ja. So guys, I'm gonna give you just a quick walk around here where we are right now. Here's the Evo. It's the first time I'm filming like this, by the way, so I hope the footage is pretty good. The view, really quick. It's a really beautiful, nice mountain. The sun is gone, that's perfectly weather to shoot the Evo with the Sony or take some videos. The Evo, the 350Z and the Mk4. It's really beautiful cars we have lined up right here. So guys, we are driving, continue the driving, and then we're stopping later on again. Here's the long bridge, beautiful view as well. And as you can see guys, on the top of the mountain, the snow is already coming down slowly. Sadly, it's going to be time for hibernation. We're gonna do some upgrades. Finally, the big brakes we were talking about already for 1 year. It's finally going to happen, so very stoked on that. I really like this little city right here. It's so gorgeous, it's beautiful. Just typical Switzerland vibes, as you know it from the internet. We are going to drive on the left side now, but I really want to take a look on the right side of the mountain one day. Maybe still this summer, because there's a road you can go up that is really beautiful. So a friend of me told me that, so really have to check that out for sure. But we will see when it's going to happen. Now is also a pretty nice part coming, pretty short but very fun. Perfect. That's not so perfect, but yeah, that's life, I guess. On the 80, we are driving 30. So guys, we are heading back home right now. We parted away, we said goodbye. That was a really nice drive out, I really enjoyed it. Also the car was doing very good, as usual, or most of the time I would say. It was very good. next year or through the hibernation I'm gonna buy new cameras, so I have a different filming angles and also different mics, so I can record audio from outside the car or inside the engine room. So with that being said, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you guys in the next one. Bye.